To execute an E-Trade Rollover IRA, start by understanding what a rollover IRA is. A rollover IRA allows you to transfer funds from a previous employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k, into an individual retirement account. This process helps consolidate your retirement savings and provides more control over your investments. First, open an E-Trade Rollover IRA account. You can do this online by visiting the E-Trade website and following the prompts to open a new account. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your social security number, address, and employment status. Next, initiate the rollover process. You can do this by contacting your previous employer's plan administrator and requesting a distribution of your retirement funds. You will need to provide the administrator with the details of your E-Trade Rollover IRA account, including the account number and routing information. Once the distribution is processed, the funds will be sent to you or directly to E-Trade, depending on the instructions you provide. If the funds are sent to you, you will need to deposit them into your E-Trade Rollover IRA account within 60 days to avoid taxes and penalties. After the funds are deposited into your E-Trade Rollover IRA account, you can invest them in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. E-Trade offers a range of investment products and tools to help you manage your retirement portfolio. It is essential to note that there are two types of rollovers: direct and indirect. A direct rollover is when the funds are sent directly from the previous plan administrator to E-Trade. And an indirect rollover is when the funds are sent to you, and you then deposit them into your E-Trade Rollover IRA account. Best practices for executing an E-Trade Rollover IRA include starting the process as soon as possible to avoid missing the 60-day deadline, keeping accurate records of the rollover, and consulting with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully execute an E-Trade Rollover IRA and take control of your retirement savings.